Welcome everyone for today's event from Pioneer Educator. My name is Deb Johnson and I'll be a conference operator for today's event on Outlook on Steroids 2.0 tips and tricks to make Outlook a time management tool. I would like to introduce your speaker for today, Ms. 𝗢𝗃𝗏𝗄𝗏𝗄. 𝗢𝗃𝗏𝗄𝗏 is a CEO of Workplace Power Institute, has a degree in education and is a certified speaking professional, a designation endowed to her by the National Speakers Association. She is a leading authority on personal and team productivity at the workplace and has educated managers from companies such as Motorola, Coca-Cola, Enterprises, and Panasonic. Welcome, Carla. We are ready to begin.
Thank you, Deb, and I want to welcome everyone here as well. It's an exciting topic to talk about. I don't know if we were in the room live. I'm sure that many of you would raise your hand when I said how many had Microsoft Outlook installed on your computer by IT, but you were given little instruction, if any, about how to use it. I'm quite sure that most of you would raise your hand. So IT can also tell you about the features, but they don't really tell you about the benefits of those features from a time management standpoint. And that's one of the expertises that I have, because I taught time management for several years before we started using Microsoft Outlook. And I took the time management principles and infused them into Microsoft Outlook, because Microsoft Outlook is almost like a programming tool. If you know what you want it to do, you can probably find a way to do that. So today we're going to be focusing on some features, but we're going to tell you the benefits of those features when it comes to time management, getting more done in less time. And I like to call it Outlook on Steroids 2.0 because we're not doing the basics today. We're taking you a step above that. And if we get a little, don't forget that if we get a little above where your skill level might be, to download the slides and look at this again so that you can follow all the clicks and the drags and the strokes. And we will be, I'll hopefully go at a good pace so that you can still toggle back and forth on your computer and actually try the strokes, because I think that